This is the Gorilla Girl taking the Quike for a very cautious ride without a drive chain or brakes.
You have to be very careful. It's very powerful.
Yes.
It's very powerful.
All right. This is a friend taking the Quike for an early test ride. He said it was a joy to ride. This shows the front cross member and the bottom bracket, chain drive, and the side mounted steering tube. And overall bottom view. And a close-up of the rear axle differential parts, the braking system, and the yoke swivel from a bike. The stirrups are cut from a white 16-inch Hello Kitty tire. The steering system uses heim joints all around.
There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Off and running. Except I can't see him. I don't know where he is. I'm assuming I'm getting him, but I can't tell. Oh, I don't know if I got you. I can't see you. Where are you? I can't see. I'll get something, I guess. Just keep going. You'll get something out of this. Just keep going. Keep going. Oh, there you are.
That's all, folks.